Bringing Wall Street to Main Street. From your local experts in downtown Logan, this is the Adams Wealth Advisors Market Report.
Hi, this is Brooke with Adams Wealth Advisors. Red was the dominant color across markets today. Yesterday's announcement that the Treasury Department would buy back bonds briefly pushed yields lower and lifted asset prices, but that effect has already started to fade. What some market participants are calling, quote, the Bessent Put, is viewed as too small to have a lasting impact on the massive Treasury market. There are also some long-term concerns. By shortening the maturity of Treasury debt, the government could face higher interest costs down the road, particularly while the federal budget remains in deficit. That possibility has added to unease among long-term bond investors. Treasury yields rebounded across the curve. The 5-year yield rose 3 basis points to 4.39%, while both the 10-year yield and the 30-year yields climbed 5 basis points to 4.7% and 5.25% respectively. Gold held steady despite higher rates, as concerns surrounding the U.S. dollar provided some support. Stocks also fell broadly as bonds declined and oil prices moved higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 704 points to 52,759. The Nasdaq fell 1% to 26,067, and the S&P 500 declined 0.87% to 7,641. Energy and real estate were the only sectors to finish higher, although their gains were modest. On the economic front, today's reports were solid overall. The Philadelphia Fed Business Outlook Survey came in significantly stronger than expected. At first glance, that strength may appear to contradict last week's weaker retail sales report. However, many of the businesses represented in the survey are important parts of the AI supply chain, once again highlighting just how significant AI-related investment has become within the U.S. economy. As we approach the end of the week, Adams Wealth Advisors will continue watching for new market drivers, and we'll be back tomorrow with a recap of the week's market action.
That's your update from Adams Wealth Advisors, guiding your financial future one day at a time. For personalized help planning yours, reach out to us at 435-752-1702. See you soon, Cache Valley. Advisory services offered through Adams Wealth Management, a registered investment advisor. For important disclosures and more information, visit adamswealthadvisors.com.